friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Kshitij, the DIY savvy mommy, and today we are going to make summer DIY and decor video. Let's make our home smelling great, feeling refreshed and looking amazing. Let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm making watermelon tray and garland. I got this wooden tray from Daiso Japan and decided to perk it up with some fun colors. I started with red on the base of the tray and green on the sides for it to look inspired by a watermelon. Then using black acrylic paint, I made little seeds scattered randomly in the middle of the tray, and I painted the inner handle white, and we are done. For the garland, I saw one on Etsy store and was absolutely in love with it, but I didn't have wooden beads at hand, so I decided making it with pom-pom balls instead. I made a garland by stacking pom-pom balls and then made a little tassel using green yarn like so. Firstly, I wrapped it around my 4 fingers around 10 to 15 times, and then I secured one end with the yarn string. I then cut the other end and made it even. Finally, I ran a string inside the top end and tied it. The tassel is ready and I glued it at one end of the garland. Then I took a wooden bead and colored it like a watermelon and glued that to the other end. It looks so pretty, and I'm gonna make more of these as soon as I get wooden beads on hand. Lastly, I set up everything and it looks great for perfect summer breakfast and drinks. You can also add some watermelon popsicles too and you're good to go. For the second DIY, I took a plastic slime bottle and cleaned it thoroughly. I then painted it with white acrylic paint for a good 3 coats. After drying, I started making some popsicle shapes using a pen and started coloring them. I wanted the popsicles in candy colors, so I added white acrylic paint to the original paint for the desired results. You can choose any color that you like. To add some detail to the popsicles, I made these little shiny spots on one corner because popsicles tend to be little shiny. Next, I glued original popsicle sticks to the base of the popsicles to make them look real. You can skip this step and color it entirely if you don't have popsicle sticks. Lastly, I glued twine to the top of the bottle like so. Once done, I made a little hole using a hot knife at the bottom of the bottle and planted a pothos plant or money plant. And this is my favorite DIY out of all. Isn't it so cute and totally summery? It looks great and super cute as a small desk planter. For the third DIY, I wanted to make a sun catcher but slightly different. So I took this glass sheet of an old clock and wrote "Hey Sunshine" using glitter glue. Once done, I doodled some summary images using different glitter glue. I then painted the inside using glitter nail paint of different colors. I wanted it to be transparent and glittery at the same time. You can use glass colors or even food color mixed with glue and it would work great too. Next, to make a stand for the sun catcher, I took a wooden coaster and painted it gold. I also painted the rim of the glass to make the edges stand out. Finally, I glued the glass to the coaster and placed it near the window. For the final DIY, I wanted to make something to make my home smell really fresh. So I made a DIY reed diffuser using just 3 products. Firstly, I took a diffuser bottle with a narrow opening. I then poured around 1/3 of the bottle with sunflower oil, which is the base oil or the carrier oil. I then added 10 drops each of Night Queen, lemon and sandalwood essential oil for that refresh, calming and relaxed night sleep. Then I inserted the reeds into the bottle and the diffuser is ready. I flip the reeds upside down every week for the smell to stay longer. I also added a rhinestone charm around the neck of the bottle to complete the look. And this is how everything looks. I'm so happy that all the DIYs turned out so nice. So these were the simple and easy DIYs that you can make this summer. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe and happy DIYing. Bye bye.